wanted to decorate my daughter's new room, so I ordered this Ballerina Wall Sticker from NulaLunaCrafts. These fabric stickers are made from wall-covered textile, a self-adhesive polyester textile. This material is specially developed for indoor wall coverings, offering a matte finish that blends seamlessly into a variety of interior designs. It was easy to apply to the wall. I recommend that before sticking the sticker onto the wall, you first attach the elements with adhesive tape or painter's tape to see what the end result will be. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comments section. I would also love to hear about your experience with wall stickers.